Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to week 3 of our fabulous English 101 class. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your Martin Luther King Jr. Day today, celebrating in whatever way feels best for you there. I'm celebrating by getting a cold because I have 2 small children and they're germ monsters, and I love them very much. But hopefully you're getting to soak in at least some of the sunshine and enjoy the day off. So yay, happy Monday. This week, we are going to be starting to look at different ways of academic writing, particularly the compare and contrast style of writing, and we'll be examining our essay prompt later on in the week. So plan on having the book completely finished by this week. Ideally, we want to have it finished by Wednesday, by Thursday, really at the latest. So keep up your reading. You're almost there. I can't wait till you get to the end and see how things come together with this plot. The first time I read the book, it was a total surprise. So I hope that you guys are enjoying that element of surprise as you're getting closer to the conclusion of the book as well. So work on that reading. Shooting to have it done by Wednesday, really Thursday at the latest. We do have a couple discussion boards this week. The first one is a compare and contrast style free write, where you're just kind of examining ideas. Imagine just like spitting your ideas out on the page. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just curious to see what you think about this. And then we're going to be looking at this idea of how is justice different than revenge? Why are these ideas important? Why is it important to draw a line between the two? Because that's going to really be the theme of our essay as we get into compare and contrast. We're going to be arguing whether Agatha Christie's true theme of the novel was revenge or justice based on the characters' actions, choices, and how they describe justifying what they did. So we've got a couple PowerPoints to watch. All of these are in the modules tab, as well as the assignments being in the assignments tab. So please make sure you're checking through there to get to where you need to go. Like I said last week and the week before, if you go into the modules tab, you will have everything you need to be successful in this essay. So modules tab, project 1, we've got murder mystery tropes and symbolism. We've got all kinds of good stuff there. Our supporting materials, keep those in mind, especially the psychological approach to justice and revenge. Highly important source as you look toward writing your essay. And then the essay itself, here's our compare and contrast PowerPoint, the recorded lecture about the prompt. Watch this. If you watch nothing else about the entire project, this is the video you should be watching. I kid you not. We will go through the prompt step by step. We'll look at the outline. If you don't watch this video, it will be very, very difficult to be successful in this essay. So if you watch nothing else for project 1, watch this video. I cannot say it enough. Watch the video, guys. Please, please watch the video. It's very obvious when I see your drafts who has watched it and who hasn't. So watch the video. Do it. It's not that long. It's less than 15 minutes long. Please watch it. It will help you. Then use this thesis worksheet to compose your thesis statement. We'll be doing that later on. And here is a walkthrough on how to take an essay from an outline to an actual fleshed out essay. Huge helpful things here. Please watch the videos. I don't just make them for fun because I like to listen to my voice over and over again, which I do obviously because it's an amazing voice. But I do it for you guys to make your writing process easier. So please watch them. It will make a difference, I promise. So check that out. Stay up to date on your reading. Work on those discussion boards. Engage with your peers in the discussion boards to create those connections. That networking that we talk about is so important in finding success in the college setting. And reach out if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you think as we get to the end of the novel. It's exciting.